flame on these nuts.
They burning because they're so hot.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Exactly. You're getting it. Am I live? I'm live.
I always get it. We live? Oh no, now I can't say what Terry likes to say.
Yeah, that's true. Sad. Big sad. Sure.
Mega sad.
Mega sad guy.
Yep.
Let's see. Can I do a spooty fooey and get that beautiful MC music up and going? You know.
The MC, yeah, like the motorcycle music. Yeah, exactly.
Motorcycle. Hello, Peppa. Peppa is already here. Sure.
Peppa is always here.
Yeah, for real though.
You know, just like, what if I am Peppa? But, you know, that's just a Peppa Pig theory.
Peppa Fig.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig, what the hell?
Wait, I got something wrong here. Okay, now. Okay, boom. Okay. We're ready to go? I think we're ready to go. Let's go. Alright, that's not where I'm meant to be. I wanted to go. Test 1 through. What's up, Null the pointer? And I'm not Harold, trust me. Wait. Now I'm
Yeah, that
confused.
sounds like something Harold would.
Yeah, actually, now I'm confused. Are you Peppa Harold?
Well, you'll never know.
Did I shave my beard?
You'll never know.
Is it that obvious? I didn't think it was that long, you know, so I was like, nobody would know if I shave it, right?
It's fine. We enjoy it.
Yeah, that's right. No, the school starts tomorrow, so
Yeah.
it had to go. So yeah, I didn't wanna because it was so odd. Like I had a few bald spots, so I was like, I will just not have it instead and let it shine another time when I have a little bit more. You know, we want a little bit more before we go. This is supposed to be over here, and then here
It sounds kinda not gay.
Can I start the damn hub?
It actually means happiness. So.
Yeah, it's true that.
What? I just there start the damn up. What? What is bro watching?
What?
Yes. Nah, man. If you don't get it, you don't get it.
With beard, you look like someone in their 40s who is rude. What? I look rude with the beard. I hope I look less rude now.
Nah.
And I hope I look younger now than 40.
Nah, man. Now you look like a baby.
I'm a baby. It was easier
Nah, man.
when I
Before you
have to
didn't
shave.
look like an old man.
Yeah, I remember the days.
That wasn't like that was like 10 years ago.
What?
Wasn't that like 10 years ago?
No, what? I didn't have to shave if I go like a year
Like-
back. Then I didn't have, okay, I did have to shave like every 3 weeks. But now I have to shave like every other day or something like that. I look 19 to be honest. Well,
okay.
Thank you, at least. That's a good thing, I think. Where's your...
But like, wait, before last year, you had like a mustache at least, right?
Yeah, I did have a mustache.
Yeah, okay.
Oh shit, I need to check out Master. Alright, shit, I started too early, I shouldn't have started it yet. What I need to do is figure out why the thing is not running. Do you know why an application in Hyperland would be freezing if you don't have it selected?
What app is it?
It's a Unity program.
Unity, like a Unity application.
Yeah.
It could be because times, especially on Wayland, um, when you have an X11 app and you unselect it or whatever, it gets pissed off and tries to murder itself.
Oh.
But that mostly just happens if the application is in like X11, but it gets even worse if the app is run through something.
Some software doesn't natively support Wayland. Yeah, but it's like.
Yeah, now then it has run through, like, the application I would bet is run through Unity, right? Or no?
Wait, no. Like, I export it as a binary or build.
Okay, you've exported it. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. It's probably because you have to run it through X Wayland, and I'm not sure how X Wayland is on Arch at least, but on Ubuntu it sometimes doesn't like when you unselect an app.
Yeah, like, at least
Yeah.
my OBS seems to be fine. Like, that one. Why have I dropped 50% of my frames? What the fuck? Anyways, my OBS seems to still, like, update even though it's not selected. Like, I can see stuff animating basically on my OBS right now. And I would like to have the same for this, but for some reason it doesn't. I don't know why, because it's set to not pause when it's unselected, but yet it does. I don't know what my OBS is running on though. And why it's not. And also, like, Brave seems to be fine also. I don't have the YouTube chat selected, but yet they get updated all the time. So...
Yeah, but it's probably because they are native Wayland. Brave I know is native for Wayland because it's Chromium. OBS, I'm not sure if that's Wayland, but like it's very well supported at least. So
yeah. Let's see, I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna start a new one. This one can be quite small. We can go to Unity project, StreamerFighter, and then I think it was builds. And then go to TMP. And here I will have to run with a specific, let's see. I don't care about this anymore. Right, what did I call the? No such file or dictionary. Right, it's 0.2, like so. This one should be spawning every 5 seconds. Ah, there they came. Yeah, and now if I unselect it, it freezes. That sucks ass because it's supposed to be playing without me having to select anything, right? Hello, pig. Where's the audio?
the audio is gone.
Apparently. Oh wait, it is there, but it's so low. Yeah, it is definitely there.
Oh, low. Interesting.
Yeah, it's really low. But like, oh, it's so cool already though. It's not working, but it's like, this. I can't wait for it to be like that. That's gonna be so cool when people just join in by chatting. Anyways.
Imagine everyone is gonna stop chatting now.
What? The thing walking on the screen? What? Yeah, this is basically the thing that I'm trying to develop. When you chat, when you send a message in the chat, you will get spawned a character that will fight on the screen. That's the goal. We have it working for the Twitch. Go instead also YouTube. But first, now the next step is just get this thing running without me having to have the app selected, because look, if it's not focused, it stops. And that's an issue. I don't know why. Let's see. I'm gonna go ChatGTP because this is literally, I have no idea. I am on Arch Linux using Wayland or Hyperland, and when I run my app, fine. Soon as I move my out of the app unfocus, it freezes. I don't know what to do. It turns fine and focused as soon as it loses. Common issue is the inside. Oh wait, but I did X11. That's maybe the issue to begin with.
Yeah, like Unity should have support for Wayland. I don't know.
Yeah, let's try actually running it like this. I don't know if it will have the transparency now, but let's see. Sure, it went to the wrong screen. Where the fuck is it? Ah, bruh. Well, now, fucking Christ. Wayland just made the whole thing worse. But yeah, it still doesn't.
Ah, wonderful.
It
As
doesn't
usual.
work unless if I focus it, so don't worry about it. It's alright. If Wayland backend doesn't work, tweak X11 behavior. Sometimes it. What the hell is this? Okay. Let's see, it should be spawning soon, right? Nah, it still freezes if I select something else. Fuck. Ow, or run with STL window X in Rama. What the fuck? Try running. Verify STL version. I don't have STL2 though, but that shouldn't be.
It's easy to install.
Yeah, but
It's one
I don't
from-
think that should still be the issue, right? I'm pretty doubtful that would be. Because apparently it's still running some SDL, right?
You never
Or
know.
But what could I search for? Arch Linux? No, not Arch Linux, but like. What if you run the executable? Does it work for you, Harold? Can you?
I can try if you send it.
Yeah. How big is this file?
You can use either with transfer or something.
Let's see, videos.
You can get like a link.
Oh, not videos. I'm stupid as fuck. I'm trying to find Unity right there. Projects, StreamerFighter, builds, properties. I cannot send it over Discord. Fuck. How have I used already like 300 gigabytes?
Yeah, and I
What the
used
fuck?
with transfer.
We transfer? What the fuck? Let's diddle. What?
It's a website.
Okay. Right. I can just actually zip TMP. Ah. Wait, how do you zip something in with the command line?
I don't know. I like zipping stuff is so shit on Linux with the command like terminal. Usually, so I just use a file manager for it.
Yeah, my file manager doesn't support it, so I should definitely maybe change it. But
What? What file are you using?
I'm using. I don't remember.
Well, something is shit at least.
No, it's good.
Is it not a sword?
Tundra. What the fuck is it called?
Oh, no.
It's great, bro.
The worst one of the worst.
Yeah, Tuner. It looks at least okay to look at.
They all look the same.
No, they don't. The other ones looks like some fucking Windows Explorer.
Yeah, but like, who cares? I mean, Windows Explorer works, I guess. So, it's be happy, I guess. I don't know.
No, that's too ugly. Zip. Yeah, I guess zip. I think.
Ugly? That's what your mom
tar.
said about you last night. Yeah, that's right.
How to tar a file. I'm learning. Tar ZZF. What? Tar ZZF. What the? Why would you? Okay, so this is CZV. Show verbose output listing. Okay. Tar just CZF. They also wanted a V, but I think V is redundant. TMP dot. Did they call it tar? Wait, CZF tar.gc. Tar.gc and the TMP. Boom. I still doing it, okay. Boom. Properties. This is 36. Okay, Harold, how do I get this thing over to you?
You do WeTransfer. It's like a website, you know, and then you drag your file over, and then you like get a link. Wee. That's how it's spelled.
Alright. It's loading. And it's loading. Alright, I will be back tomorrow. For real, it's loading. What the fuck? How long is it gonna load?
Wonderful.
I'm still just trying to access. I'm just googling. I'm not even trying to access the page yet. I'm just googling the thing. What the fuck? Can you hear me? Damn, my internet connection is slow. Damn.
Sadly, I can.
Sadly, my condolences. Okay. WeTransfer.
Yeah, no problem.
WeTransfer.com. Still loading.
Yeah. You know, Chrome be like.
Still loading. Still loading. We're good. We're good. Still, it just says wee.
We?
We?
How delightful. We? Yes, exactly like French.
Arch Linux.
We?
Up. Freeze if not focused. What did I type? Focus. Alright. Do I have to make an account also to use it?
Nope.
Well, how do I just do it?
That's the beauty.
Where do I upload?
You drag it over.
Share your files. Just drag it straight into the thing?
Yeah.
Can I even do that?
Can you stream on Discord so I can also see what you're doing?
No, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, and then you try. Okay, well, there's like an option for using email or getting a link. You want to get the link.
Wait, home, Unity, project, StreamerFighter, build. Flashbang. They don't take in tar files apparently.
Bruh, also flashback. Well, zip works at least.
Wait, what? Yeah, then I have to figure out drop it's like it's hot. Upload. Well, it doesn't upload it, so fuck. I just say add well, I can add the folder as it is and not do it into a zip. That seems to work.
Yeah, do that then, I guess.
What the fuck? That's crazy. Why?
Because it's funnier like that.
Okay, and then TMP. It will be for 1 day. And where do I select? There's just I don't want to select to email or message. Can I select send? Oh my god! What the fuck is? Okay, create link. Get a link. My email. What?
You want to do get link?
To...
What? Do you have to give them your email? What?
Yeah, I have to give them my email.
Well, you have like burner ones, right?
I have one that I use kind of like trash stuff, but yeah, get a link.
Okay.
Let's see. Where's the Gmail at there? Wow, it's taking until yesterday. Fuck. Why is it so slow? I'm not even running anything, am I? No. I'm running Unity. Verification code? Ah.
They must have updated it or some shit.
Let's see, why is it loading forever? Okay, transferring. Wow, it's loading so fast that I might be able to solve this without any help. Why is everything so damn slow? 1% uploaded. 2% uploaded.
This gonna take
It's doing 100 kilobytes per second. That's some crazy speed right there. What the
wow.
fuck? Why is my internet speed so damn poo?
Exactly, that's pretty crazy speed.
Kriloe Anapawesu Lofki Pimo Nayabye WTRIT now fedived. My random thing generator program.
What? I have no idea what. Crazy. Disable idle throttling for. Okay, go to. What is this? Got it. If the game binary already bundles didn't come. So the. When the window loses focus, everyone throttles or blocks the X wayland surface. The app freezes until you focus it again. Disable idle throttling. In your hyperland, adding or disabling throttling. Depending on hyperland version. Force the app to always stay focused. No focus class. I don't understand these things that should be. No focus, something like it should not focus. Wrap the binaries so it gets its own excellent microcompositor inside of Wayland. You can do that, just wait a sec. Yeah, I don't have a game scope though. Let's see, 71%. We're getting there, Harold. We're getting there. I will call you yesterday.
Amazing.
I don't think I used this for my config file. I'm not so sure. Scaling 0 force. if I search for force,
Lizard,
enforce,
lizard, 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 lizard,
force
lizard,
default
lizard,
mode,
lizard,
enforce provision.
lizard.
That's literally all I have. What do you have regarding focus? Focus. There's no such thing as focus, so I guess I will just take these and put them in here somewhere. Permissions, plugins, look and feel. I guess that I will put them here. I have oopsie daisy. Oh, for heaven's shit, fans. I don't know why I would use.
Don't think Evan has shit pants.
Yeah, no, this did not work. 97. Let's see. I don't think this will though. Okay, that one exists at least, so that's. Oh wait, it was declaration. Maybe this works. Nah, okay, this one doesn't exist. Okay. Let's try again then, I guess. Okay, let's see, should start spawning. At there. Nah, it still doesn't work. Big sad, big sad. Then this one is kind of useless. Let's see what the fuck happened here. Okay. What for fuck's sake. Recommend trying again first, since usually unfocused is. I don't have. What else? But I used Steam Deck. It acts like a wrapper you run inside a game. Main compositor, so instead of hyper managing the game. Let's see. And then I will still keep it in focus. And now if I click elsewhere, nah, it still doesn't work. Brother. Why? Or just try. I'm getting desperate just to get something that could work. Ah shit, that did not like it. Yeah. I guess I have GameScope now. Might not use it though, but 99%. Yay, let's go. Soon you can try.
It's like, you know, it's the 99-1 rule, you know. The last 1% is actually 99%.
Hyper Wayland. Why does it say X? Why did it assume the X thing? Hyperland game freeze unfocused. That's what I want. Okay, almost there. Freeze focus typically due to game behavior. No, I have. Yes, here. This is what I'm searching for. think. Useful for some games like Dark Souls, which will disconnect you if FPS too much when can limit FPS. So wait, if I put it to record. Ah, wait, copy link here. Okay, Harold, here you go.
Okay.
So apparently if you put a window to just capture, it might run without, let's see. Maybe it won't, maybe it will. We will see in the next episode of Lucas trying to be smart. Let's see. So if I go here now and I just gonna let it run at least so get one character on the
You're
screen.
trying to be smart.
Yeah, there. Okay, so now I go outside, but then I make a select, and I select the window. And of course this one is broken, so we're not gonna use it. Perfect. We're gonna create a new one in OBS. Let's see, screen capture. Okie dokie. Select window. Why is it not selecting it? Oh, I did. Perfect. But yeah, it's not playing unless if I focus it. Why? This sucks ass. That sucks so much ass, for real, bro. What the fuck? Skiddle skadoodle. Workaround works good for me, thanks. Would love to see the.
Where is the elixir or like the thing?
It's called StreamFighter 0.2.x86_64.
Ah, okay, it says permission denied. I just have to do little ch mode.
Yeah, then I will hack your computer.
Well, I don't really have anything valuable, so.
A window rule would be best, but I can also live with the workspace rule. I tried patching it, but no success. My basic angle was to utilize MP4's rendering, always render a workspace 5 that sets config. Tried the different angle once.
What was the thing that you even wanted to test? Like
That
make me
if you
test,
don't
because now it's
focus-
running.
So
It
even if-
doesn't have transparency.
I don't care about the transparency. I care about the application running if you focus it or not.
Well, like if I unfocus, like go to my Discord maybe and like press around, you know,
Yeah.
and then I go back, it works.
Yeah, but is it still running if you're not watching? Like if you put it in a separate. Do you have two monitors?
No.
Okay. If you put it on the side, like you split you split them, so you have a separate.
Ah, yeah, like that, yeah.
Yeah. Does it still run when you select the other window?
I can't even do that. Like the shit is full screen, so I just can't.
What?
You know.
No, you just. What?
Yeah, no.
Don't you have Meta M?
Like I have a, like to make it floating or like
Yeah.
to separate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have that, but it doesn't work on this one.
What the fuck? It works on my machine. What the fuck?
Like I can open another app like in the same thing, and then it focuses to that app, and then if I do like Alt Tab back to the Unity app, then it just becomes full screen again on the same workspace, you know. Yeah, no, and I can exit it perfectly fine.
So it's
So yeah, it
Wait.
just works.
wait. Can you screen share? I can't. What? Does it like? Wait, but if you cannot
I
like
can
if you
screen
tap
share, yeah.
between, then you will always focus it when you go back. So it doesn't really help to know if it's running or not. Let's see. Your stream ain't. Okay, now I see your stream. But you can like not minimize this window somehow. No. Interesting. Okay, but if you just play it, at least. Okay, now you tap away. Tap away, tap away, and let it run for a while, because if you get back now, there should either be more characters or they should be almost dead, or 2 characters if you go back. Yeah, okay, no, it doesn't. It freezes in between. Okay, so it's But you're using Cosmic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it's either a Wayland issue or it's a Linux issue. There seems to one to be have done. Wait. Does this one already provide a solution? Like, merge 4 commits into on August, so almost a year ago. And this one seems to be add a window rule to render while unthing. Alright. Let's say I restarted and I already dropped 63% of my frames, 64. This is not good. Just saying. But yeah, I don't know, I can't get it to. I did. Okay. Yeah, so what I want, you can see it works, but that's only if I have the window in focus. As soon as I unfocus it, it freezes. And I want it to continue, but it freezes, and I hate it. It's awful. I don't know what to do. I will do both of these things, I guess. Was it hyper CTL reload? Okay, I don't know. Let's see. Please, please, Lord Heavens. Please. I just want it to be working. Just as to work. Because if this thing works, it's perfect. The thing is basically done. But I can't get it to run without me having to focus the damn window. What the fuck? Why? It's such an annoying little piece of shit thing. Like, I can't. Why? Like, this seems to be the solution, but it doesn't do it. I heard Wayland has a thing called Surface, which cannot be moved, but always render on top of. Yeah, no, I don't need to render it on top. That I already got. But I need it to be always updating, always rendering, even though it's not in focus. Because the rendering on top, that I can just do with OBS. I don't want it to be in the way. Like OBS will take care of that, and that I already figure out how to do. Now I just needed to make it render every time that it's supposed to render. This is stupid. Trying to do. Rule was recognized FPS. Made second test with this. Wait, bug? What are you talking? Wait, what? What? Wait, bug? Weber update not on focus though, I think. So you mean like Weber has something to do like but why would it be in there? Alright, let's quickly just see that I went actually live on all of this. Would you see me on YouTube at least? Twitch, I hope is fine.
Yo.
Oh, hello,
Hello.
Tisha. How are you?
Yeah, I think you explain it better like this.
Yeah. But I don't know, I can't really
So
see.
I think
Hmm?
you know like what you want is like the exact thing Weber does. So if you like look how Weber works, maybe you will find out how you can do it.
But Weber is like, it's compiled, like, it's not a Unity project, right?
Yeah, it's not a Unity
Yeah,
program.
this is a Unity project, but it works like on Windows without having it selected. So I could still like check. Still does not
Lizard,
work.
lizard,
Like in the
lizard,
most not good when it comes, you could basically write something in like I don't know, some system language that basically does the windowing, and then you just load the texture from your Unity project into this window.
Mm.
But that would be like
Somebody
only
told
if-
that OBS should already make that happen, but it doesn't do it for me. Run in background.
Okay, I gotta go now. I will be back in like 60 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so
Okay. See ya.
Bye bye. But this one I already have enabled, so if you don't have a source, you can't toggle this yourself. You need to probably source just enable the two. If you only have binary, then out. Because I have done this. Like, that one I have. Project settings. And let's see, where's the player? There. I don't remember where the fuck it was. Fuck. Player under resolution. Here. Run in background is checked. Full screen mode is windowed, and V-size window visible in background. So I don't get it. It should be, and it works for Damon on Windows. So Hmm. Maybe if I export it as a Windows application and then run it through Wine. Is that a crazy idea? I can try it. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I want to build this one into builds, and then I want to do a folder called Windows. I will just try this. I mean, why can I not do it? I know I'm missing. What did I fuck up? Hello, Plus Lucas, what the fuck is your widget placement? What do you mean widget placement? It's perfect. Oh wait. Yeah, no, it's good, it's good. I don't know what you're talking about. It's perfect. Why can I not build? Am I missing? What am I missing? Ah, I need to give it a name. Windows. Save. I said save. What the fuck? What? It literally got a stroke from trying to save it. Okay, crazy. Anyways, amazing.
I'm probably gonna go now because it's getting a bit late. Well, sort of, not really, but you know.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta sleep.
Don't worry. By the way, tomorrow.
Yeah.
If I think hopefully I get this working, but tomorrow we will start planning the next project with my guy or friends who will be joining us.
Bro, he's gonna make like he's gonna make 20 projects, and then he's gonna have released like one video in that time. We're just making more and more and more. We're not releasing any shit.
I don't know, man, how this will go, but it's fine. It will work somehow. I mean, somehow it will work out, right? Right?
Yeah, right.
And it's testing. We cannot predict the future. Did it build this shit or did it not build this shit?
Well, see ya later.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Build profiles. Build. Save. Why don't you just build the damn thing? Bruh. I don't wanna build. I don't wanna build. I mean, I could try this also, but where does application? It just doesn't matter which source of the game, but I should already have it to set to true, so this shouldn't matter. Well, I guess I will just switch it back. I closed the wrong thing. Amazing, fantastic, hallelujah. This is pain. This is pain without death. And it's not funny. This is stupid. Like why? Why? Why can you just render the application like a normal freaking thing? Where did my Unity go? Did it even start? The project is currently open. Well, where the fuck is it? Oh. It's enter safe mode, fuck it. Let's just exit safe mode. Exit anyway. I want to change the build back to Linux. It seems to work better that way. I didn't have this issue at least then. Switch. But still, like, why would it do this? Hyperland unfocused window not running. Rendering. But I will not focus on latest version have really difficult news guide hyperland. No, what the fuck? After it's just happened immediately after updated hyperfocus. Running up Windows rule. We'll check that one as well. How do I keep application windows that are playing a video from dimming Hyperland when they are the focus window? Oh, this might be it. I'm running Hyperland or Linux and I have Hyperland configuration set to non-focus window are dimmed a bit. No dim. Okay, but that's just dim. But I guess the problem is still the same also for me. Just instead of dimming, it's focus. Let's see, what can we find with focus here? Okay, no focus. Disables focus to the window. Ooh, okay. I mean, I'm kind of getting desperate at this point, am I not? Okay. Where am I? Ah. So I think I will just literally just yank this, paste it here, and I will change this. Why isn't my control work? No focus. Bruh. There should be a way to delete the whole thing, but oh my god. Like so. Okay. And I will be right back. BRB. I'm back. Wait, let's see if I unfocus. It actually works! Yo! Wait, no, wait. Wait, fuck. What? I can't click it anymore! I mean, it's fine, but I would like to still be able to access it, you know? Okay. Wait, can I maybe... Wait, wrong button. Okay. I have to be able to get it to do... No? Oh, I can't access the window. Fuck, okay, wait. But it works. Okay, so that means that something else is now making it impossible for me to... The Arch Wiki is getting DDoSed again. Damn! I never use the Arch Linux Wiki when it's getting DDoSed. Kind of funny, isn't it? Do I need these things? Wrong place here. Let's see, if we run this now. Let's see, if I do this and then I drop it. Yeah, now I cannot select it anymore. And then I go somewhere else, but it's running now. Well, that's pretty good. Besides that, fuck, disables focus to the window. Well, I still would like to be able to drag it. Force X1 window to receive input even if it requires not to do so. Might fix issue a game launch not receive focus for some reason. Force X1 window to never refocus used. Wait, so force input. Let's see. Wait, let me actually just narrow it further down. Right, so can I get rid of... Wait, why are there 2 of these? I wanna try if it works also with just this thing. So I'm gonna go here, then I'm gonna do a hyper CTL reload. And this should still be fine, hopefully. Maybe. Yeah, now I can't select it, but let's see, it should start. I have other Windows focused right now, and it's still running. Great. The only problem is that I can't move it anymore. So that's great and all, but fuck. So this thing. But now I can't select the window and another place. No focus active? Combine no focus. Yeah, this was what I'm thinking to do force input. Or just if Unity isn't pausing. What does this one talk about? It says that I think it's hallucinating. The only thing there is this force input, but there is no such thing as... Wait, where the fuck is it? There's no such thing as no focus active. What the fuck? Hyperland. What the fuck? I did open that. Okay. Bruh. I think it's I don't know what it's smoking, but force input. I think that one makes sense. Hello, Chupak, Mr. Chupak. Sorry, what the fuck happened here? Yeah, I don't want to save anything. Just quit it. Hey, why are there more of... How many do I have of these? This is all I want. I don't want anything else. Save that. Open it again. Okay, good. Bruh, let me try to run again just to clarify that's what I want. Yeah, that's annoying. And then I do this, so now I cannot select it anymore, and it should still run. Hopefully, maybe, perhaps. Yeah, and I don't have it focused, but I can't move it. That's fine. Now I will go in here, I will go to the bottom, I'll paste in this, so we basically the same thing but force input. I think that's... okay. Doesn't recognize it. Okay, that's okay. Let's see, what am I... Force input should be the thing. Interesting. Configure file hyper invalid rule 2. Maybe it's not a rule dev 2, maybe it's just a rule like this. No? But how is that possible? Because it's literally in their documentation. I swear to God, this is bullshit. I swear to God, if this thing works, I don't know, man. Then it's just let's see. That should complain before. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this thing definitely doesn't work. So that's good. That's good. Maybe it's not good, but I mean, I could also just run the thing on the separate. Quickly put it on another window and I wouldn't have to care about it. Maybe I will just go with that approach and I'll just be like lol, you know. No focus. That's a bit sad that this thing force input. What is this thing? Render focused. I don't think that's something that exists either. That seems to actually exist. Fuck. Or just render if Unity is not, if Unity isn't pausing, then I don't know, we will see. Okay, I can still select and move it. Let's see if I let some boys spawn in. And then I go outside. Fuck. That didn't work. Sadly. What if I just do both of these? Maybe that works. Yeah, but now I cannot select it anymore, so forget about it. But that's weird. This I would definitely have believed would have existed. Because this says force input. Wait, what are these check marks? Dynamic. What is dynamic supposed to represent? Rules that are marked as dynamic will be evaluated if a matching property of window changes. For instance, if a rule defines changes border color. But that doesn't really matter because to Windows rules version 1, Windows rules version 2. And how can I know if something is specifically for Windows rule? I mean, I could just go for this, you know. It's fine. Let's see. So if I go here, I don't need this anymore. I can close that. And then I go here. I think I can literally take this over to here and just do this, right? And then I can go to my stream. And now I can go literally anywhere where I want to go. And I can open this. And I can literally go StreamerFighter. Okay. Look. Why is it... What the fuck is happening? Why do you guys just see the health bars of things? You're not seeing anything else. Well, that's not right. You're supposed to see a little bit more. Let's see. Filters. Ah, there. Boom. Ah. Sure. Damn. What else can I do? This is funny. Ah, that's pretty good. So, there. We got it. Pretty easy, right? First try. And it's perfect. Interesting that the Twitch login is not... Oh no, yeah. Let me just... what happens if I run it one time? And I... Okay, so I can do the login, but if I go back and forth... Yeah, okay, interesting. Wait, do you guys see... Huh, so if I just don't... Okay. That's pretty good, actually. Sure! That's fantastic. I don't know why it's not being rendered, but... No, I'm not trying to make... The making it transparent has been working all the time, you know? Like, look at... You guys are seeing this, right? Like, that has been working all the time. The only thing that hasn't been working is trying to make it run without having it focused. But now, it don't run. I can do whatever I want. I can navigate here, you know, do whatever I want. And it still plays in, like, the background. And I'm not connected with my Twitch API because I just wanted to get this thing working, but now it's there. It's amazing. Could I maybe connect still the YouTube thingy? I hate that I have to probably generate some token and then connect that shit. But you know, YouTube API Unity. Let's see, what can I find on this? There's apparently a nugget package which would work. Why did you get over here, bro? Go stay over there. Let's see, what do we have here? Sure, boy, a lot of errors. Don't know. Anyways, then we can say YouTube, like so. That's how we spell YouTube, by the way. Like so. And there should be this thing, right? Don't know anything about how to set it up with this thing, but let's see. What do we have here? If you're working with Google Cloud Platform APIs such as data store, no, I'm not working. I'm working with YouTube. Do you have YouTube? Do you provide YouTube, right? You say YouTube. Please do have YouTube. Ah. The Google API client library does not have access to the Google API such as Drive, YouTube, calendar, storage, and analytics. The library such. Okay. Strong typed API libraries generated. Okay, this is perfect. I think this is actually what I want. Yes, I think this is what I want. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Live. Yes, look at that. So we should be able to get any form of live stream chat messages. Yes, and with that we could hook into the actual API that I have running, and we could make it work both on Twitch and on YouTube. For now it's just on random people being spawned in. I could probably hook it up doing both on Twitch and, but it's okay. Let's see. But if this one actually provides support for that, this is perfect. Damon might, I don't know what Damon's gonna say when I add this thing out without his consent. Let's see. This client library is supported by maintained. What is this? Okay. Read me. I want to read the support maintained by maintenance mode only. We are fixed necessary bugs and ensure library continues to meet your needs for accessing Google APIs. Non-critical issues that will be closed. Any issues may be reported if causing ongoing problems. Please see frequent question for details. Google API.net enables Google APIs such as Drive. Yes, YouTube. Please see. Oh, there's a help page for answer to common questions. Unity unsupported frameworks. Why the fuck is it there then? See for details regarding the lack of Unity support. To make it easier for you to develop with Google API using Google API client library for .NET, we have your Nugget package library published too. But why does it? What am I? Oh wait, did I not open this stupid? I did not open the frequent work. Well, Unity. Why aren't Unity supported? At team discussion in October, we do not support with this platform. We don't see evidence that there would be enough usage to justify technical work and infrastructure required for full extra platform. We will revisit this decision changes, but it's still there as a nugget package. I think it's fine to add. I don't know, doesn't say that there's no support, but why is it here if I cannot use it, right? Right? So why just not? I don't know. Damon is not here to warn me about doing bad decisions, so I'm gonna do bad decisions. Okay, I don't know if I got it or how this thing work. Let's see. Is it just in plugins? Where does it get? Oh, okay. Like where does it get added if you add something? Is it packages? Oh, look at that! There it is. Great. So how do I get started with this thing? Like, what am I supposed to do? Where the fuck did the shit go? Oh yeah, here it is. And then I'm wanting to know. Okay, I have no idea. Let's see. They said that just gonna close these ones. They're irrelevant now. Okay, this was the help page. Getting started. Mixture of handwritten live connected to. Do I have to be concerned with any of these? Using version 3 client. But this is translation. I'm only concerned about Let's see. I could now maybe try to. I'm just gonna quickly see what can I do. Preference, tools, writer, and now if I just open up any random. Here's the YouTube one, and that one is the one I want to actually work with. So I'm just gonna open up this, move this over to here, close this thing, and then I'm gonna go inside here. I'm gonna take packages, and I'm interested in the API, YouTube API. You guys know what I'm trying to say, alright? So here, this one is the one I'm curious about. Okay. Let's see, client library expression. Okay. I generally don't know what the fuck. Let's see. YouTube. That's not how you spell YouTube for the third time. Okay. YouTube, yes. I want to hook up my Unity app with YouTube API now to listen to YouTube chats. How can I do that with Nugget package? Was it API Google? What was it called? Google API is YouTube. Google's API YouTube version 3. Doesn't directly use Nugget like that .NET console app, but you have options. Install Nugget for Unity. I'm not using the DDLs though, fuck. Wait, does this still work though? Let's see here. 2auth services, YouTube, okay. YouTube services on start. Where does it get this information? It would be really nice to read. Go to Google, save that. Okay, this makes sense still. And then here I provide this. Okay, this all makes sense. Base credentials. Okay, get live chat ID. For the status. Okay, pull live chat for each. So you don't set up like a listener or something like that. You just literally just. Wait, let me check that is. Let's check because it's damn. We did a few changes here. Sure. What the fuck did I do? Oh no, I did something. No, I didn't. I don't know what I did. Did I do something? I don't know. Anyways. The init, and then where are the? This is not the. Fuck. He has changed it quite a bit. That's okay. Okay, this is a UI constructor. Interesting. Okay. No, wait. Create. Yeah. Okay. This makes sense. And then. This is. What? Log message received. Okay, and then he tried to. Okay. Okay, no. Now I see what he's. Okay, this makes sense. But yeah, so here these things, yeah. Message received, and then you just bind those things, yes. And then these things just call these ones. But I don't know, can I just make assumption that this should work? I mean, it doesn't look too bad if you compare like how they do the other examples here. It's like not too far off, maybe. So maybe I could do a straight copy paste and it would work. Okay, I mean, it's fine. Let's see. So we have that, and I'm just gonna create in here add directory, and I'm gonna call it. So we have streamer. No, it's stream API. That should actually be Twitch API. I'm a Twitch chatter. I don't know. I will just create YouTube API like so. Add that, and then in here, this is fine. Projects. Let's see. Scripts. YouTube API. Create. Create that. Because it's okay, I can just rename it to whatever the fuck I want, but we'll take this. I think that makes sense. Bruh, let me just close all of these. And not open another one. Fantastic, it just froze instead. Crazy stuff. For real, did it freeze this bad? I just closed a bunch of windows, that's all I did, and it's like, I'm gonna die now. I will just restart it. Can you... Okay, pkill-9. Can I say rider? Ah, yes. Okay. No, I want to kill you. Please just die, please. So I can know. Wait, where did my Unity go? What the fuck? Why did Unity? I didn't want to kill Unity. No. This thing is still not dead. Anyways. Let's see, we'll go here, preference. And then we'll select this thing, and then we'll just open this one up normal. Okay, seems to be working now. Weird. Anyways, boom. I mean, boom. That was weird. Alright, my intelligence success. Boom. Why doesn't it show anything? Right, that it should be showing us that that's not okay, but it just goes on with that's probably fine. GameDev, C#, what's up? Hello, hello. How are you? I need more water though. This could probably be done also like same way that we do it for this thing over here. What happened to my LSP? What the fuck? Let me just close this and reopen it. I don't know, man. That's so weird. It just started to look ugly as hell. You're not gonna open? What the? Okay. Still no LSP. Okay, now. Good. Yeah, now it looks good. And then it broke. And then it's back. Alright. Mm-hmm. Don't know what the fuck that is, but I'm just gonna do this. Never knew Unity worked in Linux. Yeah. I was also surprised to know it worked in Linux. Let's see, I should probably be able to do a slide this thing. I think this all makes sense. The only thing I'm a bit concerned about is like Google Web Authorized, Broker Authorized, and then okay, so it won't say auth2, and then YouTube read only. That's still fine. And what the fuck is this user thing? I'm probably gonna leak these keys. I'm pretty good at doing that, so should probably put them in some place where they will not be visible, so I can just add them once, and then I can edit the code safely. Yeah, that sounds like something a smart person would do, which I'm not. Fuck. Damn, why are there so many stick? Okay, they died. Should probably put some more force that if you get hit by a weapon, you get yeeted. That would be funny. Be a little bit more messy than this whole fighting simulator. Hmm. We'll be right back. I need to. It's a thing that's pissing me off. Real quick BRB. I'm back. Okay. So, is there like a specific Google API setup? That has to be, right? Because I don't know, the ChatGPT is also fine, but it's like, it feels like just kids. I don't want something more stable to follow. We want to write application to interact with YouTube, which explains basic concept of YouTube and the API itself and provides a... Okay, this, you need a Google account, yeah? This makes sense, right? Somewhat. Oh fuck. Let's see, I can actually close these things now. Don't need. Oh. A5. Full. Create the JSON assets. Damn, is Damon online? That looks a bit... I mean... But it doesn't know the path. I guess you can put it there, but... What the f... You can do something like this, that's I hope it doesn't assume... Doesn't assume that okay, I'm just gonna go and check some previous commits because I think that's smarter at this point. How did we do it before? I could there's different ways you can check this, but let's see. There should be just a simple... I'm trying to make it too complicated just for simple string. Really? Is this so freaking hard? I don't know. Like, why would I? Isn't there like already like a relative path for it? Wait. Get absolute. Isn't there a way? Isn't way to use relative path within the project? Why do I always set it? Wow, whatever. Equation points to this I can accept. Just to see that if I can get it to work even. And I don't know what this. And I apparently suck at copy pasting. Like so. Hello, Marcus Kingston, or Mao. And then we're gonna take these, put them there. So if I now put, let's see, I'm gonna put it inside of Lucas. Yeah, it's a bit different actually. Why would it take string assets path? Bro, where the fuck is it? Cannot not just understand that, I just want it from the root. Resources / Lucas / secret. Lucas secret. You know? You don't wanna know my secrets. Alright, so that means that I should be able to go into. I'm gonna take this one over here for a while, and then I'm gonna go to Google. Bruh. And then in here I'm just gonna take I think this one had better explanation on how to do this. This one, I was pretty sure this one had like how to. What the fuck? Let's see. Copy link address. Okay, we're going in the wrong place. That's okay. Let's see to submit requests. Let's see here. Enable APIs and services. After creating your project, make sure the YouTube API service. Wait, this is the disk. Why do I have a? What is the fuck? How do I create? You need a Google console. First, create a project in the Google domains and obtain out. Okay, how do I create a project? Like, there's no simple create project button directly here. Ah, search for. I want the YouTube API. Enable. Okay. Yo, fighting figure, do they have names? Just so you know, I think YouTube has some limit that resets at 12 PM, I think. Don't. chat message and it stopped after. Yeah, like you have to enable the refresh tokens if you want to use, if you're using authenticate, you know. And same goes for Twitch. After some period, the token will expire, so you have to always update it. Yeah, it's. I can connect with the Twitch token right now, but I'm not gonna do it because there's really no point to it. It will work the same way. It's just we'll put your username instead of some random user there. Huh, interesting. Should be fine. But let's see. Okay, so how do I go about it? So now I have this, but I don't. To use this you may need credentials. Create credentials. I don't know, is that the same as creating an application? I still have no idea. What data will you be accessed? Different credentials required depending on the. I don't know what kind of data will be accessed. What the fuck? User data. Data belongs to a Google user, like their email address or age or user consent required. No. Google data that is public available, like public maps data showing restaurants information of this. I need to get their username. Not what the fuck? From the live stream. You don't need which as for the content. Okay, that's perfect. If I just need. Well, that makes things a lot easier. Just ask for the public data. Next. Well, I will just create a new one if I need more. We recommend restricting this key before using it in production. Here's your API key. Well, thank you. Done. Okay, so I got an API key now. That's pretty cool, I guess. Where is let's see. What did I call it? It still thinks that I want something. What the fuck? Okay, I was thinking already, that doesn't make any sense. Okay. So just rename this to be... Oh my god, what am I doing? Please. Remove that. Place it in there. And I will just say API key. YouTube API. So, and then I will just change this to we'll just close that, and we can take this thing back just a bit. There, boom. And we can say API key, and then we'll go here. And then JSON credentials And now we just change it to do. Okay, I'm just gonna take this whole thing. I'm not gonna. And just change it to be. I cannot do that because I still need this part. Yes. And let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I don't need to. It's became a lot more confusing now when I fucked that up. Okay, so it wants YouTube service at the top. I'm just gonna cut it just before, yes, just before. Like so. I'll get relative path, we do this, we read all, we get the credentials. This is basically my API key, so I don't care about. I do care about that. Wait. Why is it so cursed? Let me just check this. So that is fine almost. Let's see. I will just do something like this. Boom. And let's see, we should still have like so. So this should be fine. And then this thing I don't care about. So I can delete it. And then okay, now I see the issue there. This should be this. Yes, and then instead of doing that, here I will say cred API key and then get live chat ID. I have no idea. Oh, okay, that's this thing. Okay, so let's take this one down. And do I care about any of these? Okay. But how does it know from which? How does it know from which user it's supposed to be picking up information from? Retrieve the list of with the given channel. Ah! So comma separate list of an. Wait, what the fuck? How does it know which channel? It doesn't know which channel to get message from, specific channel live stream. You need to. Well, that's fantastic. So. Yeah. Ah. Channel event list event live type video. Do I actually need to do that though? Wrong place. No, that was the right workers request. No search list. Okay, now I'm a bit confused. What? Okay, I don't know even how far I can get with this thing. I should maybe try that first. And this one is missing one, like so. Yeah. If this is far, I have no idea how far I should go, but we'll see. We'll see. Managers, Twitch chatter. I will just create a new one called YouTube. YouTube. That's again wrong. YouTube like so. Sure, that works. And then I want to select this, and I want to take this one here. And let's see what it does if I press play. File not found. Home Unity. Yeah, you're not supposed to go into assets. That's the issue. What do I have? I have streaming assets, persistent data, data path, returns the path to the console log file. What is this? Contains the path to the game data folder. Contains the path to the persistent data, streaming data, temporary cache. Is it just the data then? I just need it to the root. I don't care about anything else, but I need to get it to the root. Because in the root I got the secrets. So please go to the root. Or just don't run, that works too. Just get stuck in an infinite loop or whatever you're trying to do. What the fuck? I don't need it to like be perfect, I just need it to show that it can connect to the fucking API. But instead you get stuck in this stupid loop where I never get anywhere. Hilarious. Alright, I'm just gonna pretend that this doesn't suck. I will just force quit it and try to reopen it. Maybe this will fix my sad issue. If it doesn't, well, I guess I will have to restart Unity as a whole. It looks like it's just okay. Maybe. Oh, it did. Did it? Did it work? Okay, let's see. I don't think it did work. No, it did not. Build without issues, please. Can I get you there? No, it won't run. Okay, so I actually have to restart save. Exit. Can you just oh crap. Perfect. Accept and continue. Move there. And yeah, preference. Let's see now if I open thing and I play it. Search YouTube has thrown exception is to code unauthorized. Request is missing required authentication credential. Accept the auto access to the. Why did you expect a auto access? Okay, so it probably went through here. It was pretty happy, and then it got to get live. But I'm not concerned about. Let's see. Precise. using API or not. You should replace live list with search for live videos on the channel. Oh, but I need to get channel ID event list event type video max. But oh shit, no, I only want to get live streams. Maybe I need to what? Hello, Enjo. Exactly, that's data. You can read public video titles, blah blah blah. User data. Someone else live. No, I need my live stream. Mine. For ID title, poll from your own. Yes. Others people. No, I'm not concerned about others people's live stream. You're configuring Hyperland. Amazing. That is a fun. Take the first live stream. But how is this? Okay, you know what? I'm not too concerned about it though, but a little bit. A little bit concerned I am actually, what the fuck. Let's see, so yeah, you cannot just, what the like so, and then channel ID, I guess this one. How can I get my channel ID? Is it just a thing? I have no idea, to be honest. Your channel. Okay. YouTube. Is that it? Well, I guess I can just go with that then. Ba-ba. I recommend using Anthropic, Claude, or DeepSeek. These are more for developers. I don't know. Claude gives so much irrelevant data that you don't care about. DeepSeek I haven't tried in a long while. Then it takes the first search, and then here no active live stream, and then here videos response ID. Get the live stream, live chat, list live stream. What the so this one is kind of like okay. And then here count video response. No live chat not available for this stream, okay, but else then there's this, it returns live chat ID. Say task, okay. And then here, and then it starts pulling on the live chats events, and we will see how this goes. Worst case, it doesn't work. Best case, it works. We got an error. Search YouTube has thrown HTTP status is forbidden. That's a beautiful long ass message. Sheesh. Right, that's not gonna work. I need to do this. Doesn't allow unregistered caller without established identity. Please use API keys or other But I do have an API key provided here, so this is quite interesting that it says that. Let's see. That's not exactly what we discussed earlier. Tab is because you're trying to call a method that requires authentication. I told you that we might need it, and it's like, no, you don't need it, but you're using no one. Yes, exactly. YouTube treats its own request with event live for another user's data. With channel on someone else's channel requires, but I'm using my own channel. Dental lecture video, so forbidden. Solution used no. Restrict your own public live stream. If you use an API key, you can read. You cannot read chat. Yo, what's up?
And how's it going?
It's going bad. Apparently, I don't know shit about. No, it's your own channel. YouTube data API treats live chat access as user own data, so you can't just use an API. You still need. Oh my god, it's. Woo!
What's the problem?
ChatGTP tripping. Go to Google Cloud
Oh.
Console API credential. Create an auto client desktop app. Make sure.
Are you still trying to do it like with a window?
No. I got the window and all working. Now I'm just trying to make a call to the
How's it working? What did you
YouTube
get?
API.
Yeah, how did you get the Windows stuff working?
I had to. What did I have to do? I had to make a no focus for this specific application in the Hyperland config.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. Let's see. Manage API.
And now API.
What?
And tomorrow YouTube. And now YouTube API.
Yeah.
So it also works. Okay, nice.
Or doesn't work, but I'm trying to make it work. Let's see. I'll enable the API. Let's see. It should ask for the. I don't know how to do the. Why doesn't more maintenance? What the credentials here. Let's see. Let's go there. I don't care about this one anymore, so I can just delete this one.
Do you already know what project you will do after this?
Yes, I do know.
And what will it be?
It will be SIG and creating kind of like, it's not a game engine, but kind of a game, I guess. Like very low level stuff. I'm going back to that. But like start creating games in a different kind of architecture. I have a friend with me who is really hyped about this, so yeah.
But not the guy who works at the hotel, right?
Yeah.
No, not the guy.
Yeah, no, it is him. And yeah.
Will he work with you at the project for a project?
Yeah, because it's basically his dream project to do as well, so he just wanna do it.
Yeah, already hyped. You know how I created, or like am like at the moment like creating this library like basically for the Vulkan renderer?
Yeah.
That's like same you will do, right? But
we
like
will to begin in the beginning we will not use Vulkan.
okay.
we're gonna make like our own kind of we're gonna focus more on like actually getting more out of it in the sense of just using CPU. So we're not even gonna use a graphics card. We're not gonna utilize it. But eventually, if you feel like going to a little bit more extreme graphics, then we'll go to a graphics card. But we'll go to just using CPU and making our own renderer on the CPU.
Okay, nice. But CPU will be very hard for 3D then. Like I think for 2D it's fine, like retro, but
Yeah. That's still like point. We're gonna start off by doing 2D and then get to 3D and
but yeah,
then.
no, that's fire.
Yeah. And the thing is, like we talked spoke for like 3 hours, and we talked back and forth, and he shared like different, like so many cool concepts and ideas, and like how effective it will be to make games and like debug stuff and like actually make things work. Like majority of the time, you're not spending time in designing the game or something like that. Spending a lot of time just debugging. And what he showed were ways to just kind of like make this process like I think more than 10 times faster, and like it was so beautiful when we looked at some actual examples of how people have done it, and why I was honestly confused, like why isn't every game engine doing it like this? Like this is so much, like you can, like hot reloading for example was one thing he showed, that you can in the middle of running your game you can edit the textures, the mesh, the models, and it will just update them. Or you could for example change the code, and you wouldn't have to like restart the whole program. You can, it will just it was just compile and start using the new compiled game and render the stuff through there. So you can like edit the code, and it will, in the middle of your game, like if you feel like the enemy's speed is too slow, you can literally just change the speed variable, and you don't have to restart the game. You can just see the entities starts moving faster, you know? So this also, you don't need an GUI for this purpose.
I got disconnected. I got disconnected.
Ah,
what did you say?
basically he showed me how you could do hot reloading.
Oh yeah, that's that I still heard.
Yeah. So
You ever used SIG before?
he has used SIG before. He's gonna do it in SIG.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, he is a big SIG enjoyer as well. So.
Fire.
Yeah. But yeah, tomorrow we will start with that. So I'm hoping to get this YouTube somewhat running before then. So let's see, create credentials.
The YouTube videos, right? Also like sometime.
What?
Like you gotta edit the YouTube videos from the VR and this project.
Yeah. Don't worry, I got. Get started. I do stream. It's I cannot do two things at the same time. Wait, I need to write this. What is this? Only available to user within the organization. No, I just want it for me. Can I please? Or do I have to? Okay, I cannot even select. Okay. Contact information. Sure. I agree. Create. So how do I get to my API key? Manage. credentials. I swear I just created and there is still no... What the fuck? Where the fuck did it go? Create out client. I don't know. What the fuck is this? Identify single app Google. I think this is the wrong place. Where am I? How do I create this key? Okay. Yes. Wait. Yeah, I'm there. Create project. There's a create credentials, but no create project. I assume that's the same thing. And then give. But no. What the fuck? Now it's tripping again.
Where can you stream on Discord?
Am I not? Damn. Like so. Now I should be streaming on Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not showing when I'm creating the... What the fuck? I'm just gonna do this then, I guess. What is this? The ID can always be accessed from clients tab. Client ID, client secrets. Starting in June, you will no longer be able to view or download client secrets once you close this down. Make sure. Oh shit! I need to store this. Yeah, that's why I have my beautiful. This thing. You guys won't see this, but that's the point. What the fuck? I want to see this, okay. So then I just take client. Let me just yank this, paste it a few times. And I'm gonna call it YouTube client. Why did you get such a... Oh, that is... And then... Client secret. I'm just gonna call it secret.
You, I'm right now stretching for the full split, and it hurts so bad, it's crazy.
You're gonna do splits?
Like if it's called that, yeah, like, you know, like I don't know how it's called in English, I think it's split.
Yeah, no, I know what it is, but why would you do that?
Because, you know, for like martial arts, you know, you gotta kick high.
Okay. In Cloud Console, go to search library, search and click enable. I have that enabled. Create API. But isn't this the same as doing that? I'm fucking confused. Okay, click that and then set Unity API key, application name. Don't I need more? Oh, we'll see. So now I just change this. But brother, there's no such... I don't have an API key. Why is this so damn stupid? This is what I have. Client, this I have now. Yeah. I think it's tripping too much. Use now so you can access your channel live chat exactly. Yes, that's correct. Go to... Oh my god. Okay, and then here... Okay. like so. And then in credentials here, and now what we can do is to take this away, and I say JSON dot. Oh no, I actually did one too many. Shit. There, this I still need to save, but this can be overwritten. Yes. And then I can say creds, not API key. Now we have, it's not updated. Client, oh my god, I'm gonna take this to the other slide because this is so bullshit that it doesn't, why? Did not save, it's supposed to find YT. Ah, I'm stupid.
YouTube API, right?
No. Wait, secret. Paste that, and then I need client. YT client. Like so. Not ID, just client. Thank you. Right? It's the client and secret. Yes, that's what it's supposed to be. Boom. And then I can say that's the client ID, and then creds dot YouTube secret, and then here, yes, this is the stored token folder name, whatever that is, I have no idea. And then here, and then you pass in that, and then that, and then okay, let's see how far do we get with this. Not far. Parse missing name for object member.
Yo, I'm on the PC now.
Nice. That's weird. It shouldn't miss any fields for any members because I was pretty explicit to tell it exactly what exists and what doesn't. So that's a bit funny. YouTube client. Let's see, I need to open this up again. That's the wrong secret. YouTube client. Let me just YouTube client and YouTube secret. Did I do a typo? Yank it. Paste it. That's paste it. I don't know, I don't see any difference. Let's try again. I don't know, wait, I need to clear this to see that. Yeah. Missing name for object member. How is this possible? Oh shit. Okay, I think it went through now. Oh. Amazing. So now we'll just go here. That's the wrong thing. Bruh. Okay. And let's take a... What we can do now is we can go here, we can do this. And we can do that. And now if I start it, boom. And we're gonna do this one. And access block StreamFIghter has not completed Google verification. It has not completed Google process. This app is currently being tested and can only be accessed by the access tester if contacted. I am the developer. Fuck.
Bro. Yeah. You need to contact yourself, you know?
I needed to contact myself, man. What the fuck? This is hilarious, and I'm gonna change this to. So yeah, we're trying to get the YouTube API, and apparently this is I have access blocked. And I should contact the developer, but I am the developer. What the fuck?
It'd be like that.
Yeah, what's up, Damon? How are we to this beautiful day?
My fucking stepmom fucking crashed on her bike and broke her collarbone yesterday. I was in the ER for like 6 hours.
Damn. But all good now?
Yeah, she's home. She's chilling, but
Okay, okay.
damn.
I'm trying to get the YouTube API now. I got the overlay working quite good, but I cannot still get the... Now I'm just trying to get the YouTube API, yeah.
Nice. Something that you can actually take care of.
I hope so.
Help.
It's not completed a Google.
Well, if you're able to get Google's API, then I have some doubts as you being a developer.
You should. It's not completed Google verification process. The app is currently being tested and can only be accessed by developer-approved tester. If you think you should have access, contact the developer. If you are a developer of StreamFighter, see error details. Well, those error details didn't help. Shit. Ah. Access denied. Offline. Redirect. Authorize. Related to developer documentation. What the fuck?
Ooh, I gotta go to the washroom. I'll be right back.
Alright. Sure that your app compiles with the complies, not compiles. Sure it does. Keep the owner and editor role of the project associated with current as well as the go to Cloud Console Verification Center. Oh, okay, this let's see. Not require your constant screens being shown, but your app has not been reviewed, so your users may not see all of your information and you will not be able to request. Ah, it's under review? Well, what the fuck? How long do you have to wait? Well, it may take name of this is only used to identify client in the console and will not be shown to end user. Can I just change this to streamer? Oh shit. Fighter. Is there anything else? Viewing and downloading client series no longer available. Those I already got. Okay, let's see, what else can I do? Go to click on project selector. Project selector, what the fuck? Where the hell what are they talking about? No idea. Go to the Cloud Console Queue Verification Center. What the fuck is that?
It's getting deep into the rabbit hole.
No. On the select dialog that appears, select your project. You can find your project. Okay, I think I'm doing it in the Discord bot now. That's fine. I don't know. Select the edit app button. I don't know. Enter the necessary information. What? Now they're talking about something completely different. They lost me at this point. Use that remove scopes button to provide the but this should be fine unless your consent screen is being shown but your app has not been reviewed, so your users may not see all your information and will not be able to request certain two scopes. the fuck? Okay, let's try again. Oh no, it's popped up on the other screen. It's okay. What the fuck? It's blocking your request because your app stream has not been verified. You created a for Unity app. Google sees it's a sensitive scope app YouTube read-only account. Since the app has not completed verification, only test users can log in. If you try to authorize with Google account and not listed as... What the fuck? But how can I just verify the app instead? This sucks ass. Go to Google, close the screen, make sure this user type external for testing. Under the test, what the fuck? I don't have that. Open link. Let me just take this over to the other screen. Make sure user type is external for testing. What? Where do you see this? Where is this external coming from? I feel like when I read documentation, it's using some weird ass things that doesn't exist, and well, AI is always stripping. Type? There's nothing called type. How about user? Okay, there's. Aha. Here, token grant rate limits quickly application can. No, these are just overview. I don't know what the fuck it's talking about. There's a verification center, but that's not what it's talking about. Like, what am I supposed to do? Test users, add users. Save. I don't know, let's try again. Nope, still blocked. Even though I just added myself there. I have no idea. Did it save? Oh, I didn't even save. Fantastic. Let's try again. Access blocked. What the fuck? But now I am a test user. I'm pretty damn sure about that. Make sure user is external. Under test user, add your email. Yes, save change. Now you another test user that can authorize the app without verification. No verification is needed for test users. This is usually way during development, but it just didn't work. Am I stupid? Wait, refresh page. I don't know. If you want anyone to use it, you must submit for verification. Google reviews your scopes and app details. It can take days. Oh shit. So yeah, we probably want to use the test, but I added myself to a test. I added it wrong. What? Did I actually have to? Oh my god. This just gets better and better. Let's see. I want this email. Added the wrong email. And then I remove the old one, confirm, I don't need that one. Alright, now it should work. 10% sure. Boom.
Okay.
Google hasn't verified this app. But if I don't wanna do.
But you can go to continue. Maybe
no, but continue is like you have been given access to the app currently being tested. You should only continue if you know the developer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Review.
Nah, you know, I wouldn't trust it. You know, maybe you have a sake for it.
A little bit sus.
Yeah.
Receive verification. You may now close this window. Oh, cool. I don't know what
That's
that
some
is.
crazy CSS they got there.
Thanks, I didn't do shit there. Let's see. There's something thrown in. Hey, hey. It's something.
Wait, can I write in YouTube now? Let me
No,
see.
because it got here. So now it went through this process, and then it went into get chat. But then this thing failed. What did it say? The service YouTube has thrown an exception. HTTP status is bad request content invalid argument. Invalid argument? What the fuck? It's tripping again. All of this should be valid arguments. Man. I'm just gonna give it that information as well. What could be invalid there? Like, I think. Well, I maybe not even need to do this anymore because the error request contains error usually means that API call is being made with wrong, missing parameters in most live chat. Video ID is null or invalid. If the search request doesn't return a live video null, empty. The video has no active live chat. It's only presented if for live broadcast with chat enabled. If the video is schedule ended. No wrong parameter, but I think it's pretty much tripping again. Pretty good. It's tripping pretty good. What the fuck? Let's see. I think this is more or less what I want. That it has provided me earlier with some. Let's see here. Yeah, this one is the one I want. So I'm just gonna go here and then I'm gonna paste that and shit. Stop that and let's actually do a little bit of fun because fuck, you know, like so. I think this one should be more fine, maybe. I'm fast. All right. Oh. Yo,
Does it work?
yeah.
Right.
Oh, but oh, look at that! It actually did get it. It gets the messages, and if you type OK, oh my god! But also got the latest ones. So when I started, it got all of the
But I ain't
messages.
seeing my name.
Okay, yo.
Yo, that's actually so fire.
But wait, I think it updates every time that it gets all of the messages. So you can see here it did this, and then it got all of the ones every time. I just want to get the latest. But it got all of them. Fine. That's a bit problematic, you know. We don't want to spawn everybody back in. We just wanna. If you just said something, it would spawn you in, not, you know. But it doesn't spawn you in right now in the game, you know. But it's still pretty. It's close to there. Let's see. Now we can actually start reading this thing, right? Interesting. So it got okay. It gets the live chat ID and then starts polling the live chat, and then here. For each message. Can I ask to just change, like, I don't know, is there such a thing as just, because I could keep track, you know, but I think that would be kind of like, can I not just get from the latest ones?
Wait, do you see the statements fighting on your screen, or is it just in the stream?
What?
Do you see the stickmans fighting on your screen, or is it
No,
just
no,
on the screen?
this just on the stream.
Yo, that's actually fire.
Yeah, I can put them on my screen, but that I just think it's annoying, so I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought so.
Because it's Actually, what it does, it's that it is like see-through and it doesn't react to my button presses. So, you know,
Nice, nice.
it would be funny, like be able to go and click and just drag them around. You know.
Hey, yo, I need to type here. Get out of here.
I'm trying to type. Because I could just keep track of all of the messages that I have received, but I think there's probably just a call to just get new messages, and then I feel it's kind of redundant. Yes, you can track only the new, in fact you should, because otherwise you will reprint messages every poll. You do this by using next page poke and return by... For next poll, recommend delay before next. Okay, here's how you can modify your method. So, you change this. Okay, wait. Ensure that you don't receive message you already saw. Tells you how often you want to poll, usually 5 to 10 seconds. This way every poll only gives message since the last poll. If you want, I can rewrite your API class with only new message logic fully integrated. Well, this is basically what you did.
Why are there no names?
Because these ones are... I haven't connected any of the tooling yet, because then it would be quite annoying to...
Yeah.
Let's see, I'm just gonna do this. This looks a bit weird. Wait. If I say this... okay, what the fuck did I do? Yeah, I'm missing one of these. Anyways, if I say... Okay, what the fuck is this? Cannot convert source long to int. Okay, so this is supposed to be a long. Anyways, and then delay. What? Cast a long to an int. That sounds a bit sus. But sure, we will let it slide. Anyways, if I say, because poll happens here and while true, right, is, what the fuck? This looks a bit... I'm not sure, but let's see. Let's try it. So, if... Let's see, it should say something soon here without... it should say spawn, yes. And now if I type SSS... Oh, okay. I'm fine with that. Type something T-Chef in the chat. Yo, okay. So what we can do now...
Enable names?
Enable names? What did it say?
Yeah, I hope so. Enable names.
Oh, yeah, no, what we can do here is... Fuck. I don't know if this one will be able to... Anyways, yeah. We will have to have access to the game, public game manager, there. And then when you send a message here, instead of doing this, we will say game manager dot, and this is literally what we do in the chatter here. I can probably just replace the logic. Wait, destroy. Where do we have the... Here. Well, this should be the same logic as this, just slightly modified. Why can I not tab? this is stupid. Anyways, I think I should probably change this to be m underscore, just because it looks cleaner. Okay, I don't know why I could. So this one cannot be whatever. What I care about here. Whoa, wait, what? Okay. So here we want to take the username. We want to use the message dot author details dot display name, or is it username? Display name. Okay. So we want to pass that in.
Okay.
And if what the fuck does this mean in here? Okay, I'm not gonna pretend anything here. I'm just gonna. Okay, and then here try to chat. So then here it's the same thing, but we're gonna do a slightly different. We're gonna do message dot other details display name comma message dot, and we're gonna add the other details message, or what is it called? Display message. What? Oh, no. So this is snippet. It's a message snippet? What the fuck? Display message. Like so. Okay. I cannot edit this thing. What the fuck is happening? Okay, I don't know. Bruh. Okay, so now if somebody types in chat, it should spawn that player in. Not yet, I need to run the thing. Oh shit. I should probably check before this. What is the null? What was the if message? And I'm just gonna do if message and author details. Cannot do on live chat message and details. I'm just gonna do is not equal to null, and it's not equal to null, and I don't know, I'm just gonna do this the whole way. Author details dot display name. And what is display name? It's a string. What status bar are you using? Do you mean the... I'm just using waybar, if that's your question. Actually, I think this is better. If this is null, or if this one is null, or... Okay, I prefer to have them... no. This way. Or if this one is null, or if message dot snippet, well, I guess message can be empty. Snippet cannot be is equal to null. And I continue. The message in itself can be empty, but not a snippet. Yeah. What the fuck? I swear to Jesus Christ, what the fuck? How is it possible? Oh, you know, that's not the issue. Now I realize what the issue is. I mean, that's still a good check, but brother, how can I be so dumb? This thing needs the game manager. Oh my god, please. I'm trying to drag you in there. Boom. Now. Oh, wow, it loaded everybody in.
Okay, wait. Please.
Yeah, there. So if you die, you're still alive, T-Chef, though. But now you can type and you should get back in.
I'm actually not seeing it. Like the names on the stream.
Yeah. But there I am.
Yeah, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Yo.
I had to make my stepmom breakfast. Lol.
Yo, look, you guys are being spawned in. Yo. You can just see it, but yeah, you're seeing two
On
things.
YouTube
Yeah, I got YouTube in there as well now.
and Twitch.
Yeah, Twitch I just need to authenticate, but YouTube
Oh, yeah,
YouTube
yeah.
authenticate automatically when you just.
Easier than I can imagine it being easier than Twitch. Like YouTube's YouTube, like fucking Google, right?
Yeah, but so now we can disable this automatic spawning because that's just pathetic. Am I right?
What? No, I need that for testing.
But one thing I want to fix before doing this final thing is that I want to. Why is the try chat not displaying the message thingy?
Try chat.
Yeah.
Player sent message. Well, is there chat box registered? Like you scroll all the way up, and then you see text mesh. Is that assigned in the editor?
Let's see. Which one am I supposed to look at? I forgot. Was it
Player.
The player. This thing.
Yeah, player. Yeah, just make sure when you override it goes to the AI.
Okay, wait. And this is inside Stigma. It should be at the top, right?
Yeah, so you got the LMS chat spawner there. That's like fucking spawning the hello world every 5 seconds.
It does have the chat though, which says.
Okay, so.
But what are you?
You might have to unhook my LLMS whatever, because I have a chat bubble. Yeah, right there. So I talk to this script right here to talk to the chat bubble.
Wait, is this one? Wait.
Take a look. Take a look at the script.
Chat bubble. I think isn't that one better to use? Wait. Chat bubble.
This is what you want to use, right? So it's like you talk to chat bubble, and you say, "Hey, what's up?" and then it'll display the message and make it disappear.
Okay, but how do I connect that to use instead of this thing? I just say chat bubble here instead.
Yeah, sure. Just do chat bubble. What I have? If you look at my LMSS file, just take a quick look at that one.
Where is this LLMS?
It's on the player. Like go into Unity. This is like a quick trick.
Yeah.
And then you just click on the top player, like your parent, and then scroll down LLMS chat where it says script and it's unhighlighted. No, click it. This is one more down.
Huh?
Yeah, now double click that.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's convenient.
Very convenient. See, look right here. This is how I'm doing it all.
Yo, we have preprocessor statements in C#. Am I seeing that right?
What?
Preprocessor statements like the hashtag if.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I have it because I have a library in my project that I didn't push to the repo. So everything still works when I push and commit because I just have the if statement in there. So Lucas doesn't have that on his side. So
this is show message to change the message thing.
Yeah, it automatically disappears on itself.
Okay, show message, and then I just pass the message. This should be. Let's see. Oh wait, but I didn't apply that to the pre.
Compile.
Yeah.
It didn't compile. Rip. Rip.
Why with my compiler?
I have to restart
That's
the
a
whole thing.
long-standing joke.
Yeah.
No. No.
It's all right.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of a restart. That's it. Anyways.
We're pretty much done this, man. Like
Yeah.
7 days. That's all it really did take.
Yeah. Just wanna quickly check. Need to do this before I do anything. So I need to change this one to.
I don't think you didn't change anything on the.
It won't work because it didn't compile.
You gotta compile it first.
Yeah, so I need to close all of this and start it over. Woo!
I know that's definitely a Linux like freaking like that like what that never ever happens to me.
It's a funny moment.
And I even give you the force compile button too, and it refuses. Like there's something stopping it.
Yeah, it just gets stuck in some process. I don't know, man. It's weird.
It's bullshit. Is what it is.
Well, I guess you're not wrong, but is there a gap? No. Okay, good. Then I need to go again. Preferences. This thing, that writer, great, grape.
I have a suspicious feeling that it's because you're pressing play so fast it causes it to like glitch out. I swear to God. I could be wrong though.
No, I think you're not wrong on that though. Shit. I want to just quickly see this thing, and then I want to change it like so, and I want to apply all, and then we can disable this
And then
one.
just turn it on.
And let's see that we have. I think everything else should be fine. So let's see. Start the application. Yo, look, everybody got their message. Let's go. Wait. So if oh fuck, I have still the auto spawning, but that's okay. Have I died? I think I have died. So if I type now, wow, 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 wow. Do I? Oh wait, was I still alive? What? Wait.
Yeah, you spawned a user, not a Lucas.
No, it should still spawn a. Oh, there I come. S. And if I say www. Oh yeah, I went out of the map for some funny reason. Oh, why was my character so dumb? Let's do SSSS.
Because they're fighting off to the left there, off the screen.
Oh,
Look.
yeah, what the fuck? Where are you going? Why can't they go there? I think.
I don't know, that's fine. Like I have the map really big because I was trying to do the camera controller because I was trying to get that zoom in and zoom out feature,
Yeah.
but because orthographic doesn't like you can't customize the width and the height. It's all by a size. So I have to like move the camera up as I increase its size, and that's math I didn't want to do. So
Yeah, let's see.
I left it on the back burner.
Wait, where do we have the scene, right? That's where the. Wait, where environment? Ground here. Okay, I'm just gonna, this is not too big of a deal, right?
Oh,
That's perfect.
Oh,
Yo, what up?
Yo. It's Fredmaster. Sure.
it's
Okay,
me, guy.
let's see. I'm gonna disable now the auto spawner.
Fred, you need to go into Lucas' live stream on YouTube, and you will see fighting stickman, fighting for their life.
Why is it spawning so many fucking duds?
It's because when I start the stream, the first or the application spawns in everybody who has sent a message.
Oh.
But now if I say,
Dude, look at them with their fucking shields. Dude, that one guy's like sliding his legs over there.
yeah,
Dude,
and it
look
does
at him,
update the
slide
chat.
it over. Look.
Okay, we can
He did
export
some
it.
sort of like Modern Warfare 2 fucking
Apply it to the
super slide.
stream.
This is perfect. I think it's done. It's done. Woo.
Well, it needs a little bit of polish. That push
Yeah.
login needs to disappear, and it
Yeah.
needs
No, it's not visible on the
the
screen. I don't know what you did, but it's not visible on the actual stream.
That's I don't know what you did then.
I don't know why it's not there.
When it works, it works. Right?
It works exactly. Build.
Damn, you shouldn't be rebuilding every time. That's such a bad. Like you should. Like I understand like maybe making a bulk of your previous one that worked and that's it, and then overwriting it, but rebuilding like 0.0, 0.4, 0.5, it adds. It really adds up.
Yeah, I
They're
don't know.
fucking huge.
I don't know why. It's just a habit that I have.
It's well with Unity, that's like for everything else it makes sense, but not for. And it builds like when you build like the first time, like our project's small, like most of this is like it doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things, but
Yeah.
when you build the first time it takes the longest, so you always want to like overbuild your last build.
Yeah, because it makes sense. Next time we'll do it like that.
Well, like I said, the project's like we have like one scene and like some stick man. It's not like.
True. Oh yeah, actually, fuck. Cancel. There's one more thing I need to fix because I just realized.
You should have just let it build. You can just rebuild it.
Yeah. Can do that in the meantime while it's. There's one problem. What is the resolution? It is fine.
No,
What?
don't do that. That's the scene resolution. It's default to 1920. It's like a standard, like just standard. Everything fucking scales up from 1920.
Actually, what I want to do is take this environment and the ground, and I want to move it down. Wait, can I? Yeah.
Damn, that's no. Control Z,
Mhm.
and then rename this to ground like bracket Damon,
Okay.
and then copy it like Control D.
Yeah.
And then change Damon to Lucas, and then
Okay.
turn my ground off, and then move your ground to wherever the fuck you want,
Okay.
because that's where my ground needs to be.
Okay.
Stay on your ground.
Stay on the ground. What?
On your ground.
Okay. Boom.
Yeah, because I have that perfectly placed to be like right above my
Oh.
dash bar on the
Oh,
bottom.
okay, I see. Okay, let's again. Now it's perfect. Maybe it's just a quick recording also, so I can document
Well,
it.
honestly, like completely honest, now that I think of it, like I'm gonna have like when you first turn on the app, you're gonna have like a little bit of a menu, so you can set everything and log in,
Yeah.
and then you'll be able to like adjust your ground position. We'll just have like a
Oh.
number we can change.
Yeah. Alright, but we got it working, and you can type in the chat to update your text bubble. It's pretty damn cool. Look at that. It said hello world, and then there's something went wrong. It updated something that was destroyed.
Yeah,
Wait,
whatever.
where did-
That's gonna happen in a bit. We don't really have too much catches, so it's just like if you're trying, because like we're working with network and it's not part of our update loop. We're forcing it into our update loop, and if like a player is trying to say something but he just got destroyed two frames ago, you're gonna get that error. Like
Yeah.
it's whatever. Like yeah,
Okay.
you're not gonna like crash or anything like that.
Bro. Okay.
Just a race condition that we don't care about, to be honest.
Let's see. So I can save this one in here, and it will just overwrite everything that I just did.
3, yeah, just as long as it's on the folder, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Crazy. Right. Let's see.
I will win the first fight. I already prepared everything.
Wait, let me see. I need to quickly open up Obsidian.
When
Yeah,
is the update where you can add guns and stuff? You know?
I was thinking about fucking like adding like a bow and stuff, but you gotta do ballistics, and I'm not in the mood for any math. This was like a non-math project.
Yeah, we ain't.
Unless you want to do ballistics, there, T-Chef. Glad to have it.
That would be awesome. I'm just saying.
By the way, could you do like, I mean, when you did the character movement, isn't that also a bunch of math and physics?
It's pre-made Unity components that we just like changed some numbers to
Okay.
until we got it to a point we wanted.
Yeah, we didn't have to think.
Yeah,
too much.
that's when you use like an actual physics library. They have most of it done for you, you know.
Download in from YouTube.
Yeah, I think the only math that I had to do was the AI, and it's dumb AI, so who cares? They ain't smart boys.
Yeah, smart boys. Let's see, just gonna move that over to here. And I can close this, and now you can see on stream that we have the old one, but now if I go to here and I close it, wait, this is currently active. Oh, no, what the fuck? Let me just do this, okay, boom. Let me close it, and then here, pw, c dot dot. Let's see, and then ls cd, where am I supposed, 0.3 ls, and then here I run. I need to also get the next a valid.
Damn, he did shave. Gross. Look
Girl.
at that little boy on the screen.
Who's this kid? Let's see, where is the... You sent me a link for the... there, quick generate token.
What did it say? Create stickman? Object to character stickman has been... Oh yeah, it's like I said. No, it's just trying to fucking... It's an easy just catch and ignore.
Yeah, just... Why is it loading like so slow, brother? What is this anyways? So yeah, we're trying to get the YouTube. Let's see, try and get it working.
He says it's done.
Let's see. Ah, there. Now I can generate
Okay,
token. Let's see. Generate token. Authorize. Let's see. I am not a robot. Oh fuck, tractors. I think this is good enough. Oh, it is. Thank you, Tank.
Wait, did you say it disappears when you log in, or like?
Yeah, like you can
confused.
see the. Like if I go to, I'm gonna start the application now. Wait. Let me
I don't know,
think.
whatever you're saying sounds like some ooby-jeeble nonsense.
Ooby-jeeble.
Ooby-jeeble.
It doesn't. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the client secret. Wait, what do I want? I want the. No, I want the access token, bruh.
Wait, because the server doesn't have enough boost, we can not use the whole soundboard anymore.
It'd
This
be
can't
like that
be.
sometimes.
Oh shit, I fucked up. Wait, can I please?
You gotta be like my Discord, where everyone actually has a job.
Yeah, people don't have
And,
jobs here.
The
though.
boost, yeah, the boosts don't go away; they just stay there.
Okay, so I will put. Oh shoot! Why doesn't it? I can't type. I can't connect with the Twitch API because I can't type. It doesn't register input. That's. Oh no. Okay.
Why is it not registering input? What'd you do?
Because I have to make it so, because otherwise it's yeah.
Alright, we'll just have to think of something.
Yeah.
Damn, you might almost absolutely need input though.
Yeah, I tried to get it to work the other way around, but that didn't work either. Let's see. But why is he not
You should,
connecting
like,
to the... Where is the YouTube thingy? The fuck? No, nothing works. Oh man. Everything was working, but it's not working. Because it's kind of like... But why is it not prompting me with a connection to the... It should do in the beginning of the application prompt me to connect with the YouTube. But it's not prompting me anything. Is it because of this stupid... Oh my god, let me try that real quick.
I have no idea what's going on, man. This is all you, dude.
If I go to config hyperland and then neovim hyperland config, because this I must do, otherwise I lose focus of the window, and yeah, that sucks.
Wait, is there actually a window rule v2 if you want to add more window rules? Oh.
I don't know. V2 is just a new version where it can be more explicit.
Okay.
But yeah, if I now run this thing, let's see, now it should run like a normal window. And I should be able to, yeah, I can click on it, I can move it around. But this still didn't prompt me with a, weird. And then I just say, Lucas develops, let's see, I'm gonna try to connect everything, let's see. I have too many workstations open. I'm confused. Like so. So now the Twitch should at least be connected. Oh yeah, it had the right window and everything running. So now in SSS. Let me just take this one over to here. It's easier to. SSS. It should work. It has been working before. Am I stupid? Nothing works now. Amazing. It's broke.
Nice.
It's broke.
Cooked chat.
We cooked. Ah. Well, that sucks. It works
Wait.
in the editor, but not in the actual thing.
Wait, what happened?
I don't know. I get no messages.
Did you press start Twitch?
Yeah, I did press that.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. Now I can't press it anymore for some reason.
I don't think you pressed it.
I did though, I did. I swear I did. On God. Why can I not press anything, huh? What the fuck? Cannot do it on that. If I move it out of the original screen, then it doesn't allow me to press anything. Oh, that's funny. Lucas develops, and then hashtag Lucas develop.
I don't know. I think you need to put that crack cocaine back in so it you could tell when you connect. It's not like a mystery, you know.
What?
Well, it doesn't have to say crack cocaine. It can say,
Okay.
hey, look, it's Lucas.
That's
I
the.
sent you something in the ends.
But that's the Twitch API. So the Twitch API works.
Okay, where is the YouTube?
No, that one is not working for some reason. I don't know. It didn't even prompt me with the authenticate connection, which it should do, but it doesn't. Which is strange.
Lucas,
Hmm?
I sent you something in DMs.
Sure. No messages. No messages. But that's so strange. Like, why would it not do it? Like, fuck. Why does it do in
Did it
engine?
not compile before you built?
Like, this one works fine, and I don't even need to do any sort of connection. It just works. But when I run it after I've compiled, then it's like, you know what? I'm not gonna work with you anymore. Fuck you. And that sucks ass.
I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's take a look inside this YouTube file real quick. What do you got going on here?
So,
User
oh
credential.
wait, does it know, because this is a relative path from here? Does that exist in the?
No, you're fucking no. No, it does not. You got to do resources. Like resources is like a Unity thing. So equals resources dot load, and then you give it the path from Lucas. Like, cause it's no. Fuck all that. Like new line. Do a new line underneath this.
Okay.
All right. What are you loading? Text files. So text asset equal
Text. Okay.
asset equal right there. There you go. Right there. Perfect. Yeah. There you go.
Wait.
Well, text asset. Give it a name. Give the fucking variable a name.
Oh, it's a
You can't just
time.
have a text asset.
I was like, what the fuck? Why was it?
All right, so like now this is a Unity feature because it moves your resource folder to the build, right? 'Cause
Okay.
if you're doing some weird path lookup like that, it's
Yeah.
probably gonna have some issues.
Okay.
But you want to change the path from like resources always starts from resource folder. It grabs every resource folder in your project and it that's like it's just a one group search, right? So like you have relative path, Lucas resources, Lucas secrets.json. You just got to do Lucas secrets.json because like Unity's .load always starts from resources.
So I do this,
Yeah.
and do I need this one?
Well, no, you don't got no, you don't need that. You don't need that.
Yeah.
I would comment it out
Uh,
or delete it. I'm not a fan of deleting, but that's all you.
okay. And then I just do relative path instead.
Yeah.
And then this one becomes text assets, all of these.
If file exists, relative path, and then I don't know. You got to do some conversion. Yeah. So read all text file. I don't know. Ask ChatGPT to fucking convert it for you.
But the ChatGPT won't know shit about this, bro.
It knows. Well, I don't know. Just load the JSON file as a text asset or something. Maybe it's all just.
Is it to path?
Nah,
Text? Ah,
just-
perfect. It's gonna work. Trust me, bro. Trust me. You trust me?
I don't know. I feel like this is not 100% correct, but I feel like it's gonna work. I'm so cooked, man. Still, like, I only got a few hours of sleep after we got off yesterday, and then I ended up going straight to the hospital. So
I don't know if it did work or if it didn't work.
well, you didn't spawn any dudes.
No, the Chupac got spawned for some reason.
Wow. Well, if that's shouldn't it spawn everybody though?
Okay, so this thing failed. Okay. I don't know how a Chupak got spawned. To be fair, I don't know.
Don't load the dot text and if file exists because that's doesn't sound right to me. You just want to make sure the text asset file. No, you got not that one. No, the second one. If or okay, yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yeah, Jippity.
I'll make this.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay, so
See, there you go. Text asset equal null. So that's there you go.
Okay. So we just don't care. This one kind of does the what the this access equals null. Then that. Otherwise, it's just JSON is equal to. We don't need to read file. We already got it apparently. And this one should be the same. So let's see. I was about to press the play button before it was ready. Did you see that, Damon?
You gotta be fucking chill on that button. Now you still got a YouTube API something here. Okay,
Yeah.
so where are you? Luke? No. Underscore Lucas? Like, why is it not underscore Lucas or is it just Lucas?
This is just Lucas.
Like, you got it.
Yeah.
Okay, resource Lucas.
What does it say then? It's just the JSON and then the credential stuff as usual. Resources is required JSON, but should be what?
No, don't. As long as you're under resources, it doesn't matter where resources. You can have like 100 resource files in your project. It's just it has to be under resources. Like, ignore like the assets, resources, path. Like,
Okay.
ChatGPT's just being extra retarded for it's thinking you're dumb.
Well, it's not wrong, but line 30. So line 30 here, it's from here.
Yeah.
It says so.
Oh,
it
dot
is-
text. No.
Oh.
You're doing the dot text. Oh no, it's still that's just the log. That's
Yeah, but this
if
one
tech-
could, relative path could be either way. Yeah. Okay. So now it's failed. So it's failed to find the credentials. So this thing didn't load because it's equal to null.
Try removing .json. Instead, just load secrets because you're trying to load like a text file, right? There you go. I think that's actually it. I'm like actually now that I think of it, that is it.
All right. Let's see. Oh, look at that. There we are.
No.
Yeah. I was 100% sure that was it.
So now if we instead compile with this, we should have the... do I make version 0.4?
No.
I would go into your folder, copy 0.3, rename it 0.4, and then rebuild it as 0.4. Like that would be a faster approach. But in the grand scheme of things, like we're still a small project. I'm just like do whatever the fuck you want.
Trust, make it 1.0.
No. Oh no, I named it 0.3. Oh no. I think we're all gonna die.
Well, you named it 4.
Oh,
You named
yeah, I named the directory 4, but the file 0.3. Ah, who cares anyways, right? It's such a small...
Anyways, it wasn't even a working build, so it's not like whatever. Like, why would you want to save something that's not working?
Oh my god. But, yeah, there's a few tweaks that needs to be made still. Yeah, just a tiny few tweaks. We could probably also get like roles or something like that is special, and if they are special, they get some special sword. I don't know, man.
I don't know. I added some different weapons, but it's
Yeah.
all just randomized.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's the moment of truth. I will run it. This is not the build I'm supposed to run. Okay, let's run it. Let's see. I'm connecting. Oh, it did spawn.
Nice.
Yeah, but we still don't get the Twitch though, but I guess we can. Why is it right? It's frozen unless if I focus on the window, because this needs to be like so. So now, if I start it, let's see. There. Now I can select. Boom. I mean, boom, guys. Why is there still the bar? Didn't I export with my bar, or did I export with yours? Why is it still heightened so much?
Did you move your bar down? Or did you just copy David's bar?
I did use mine, but it's okay. I can just do that, and nobody will know. Am I right? Nobody will know what actually happened here. But yeah, if you type now in the chat, I think it should continue, right? Yay!
Why are they outlined? That's so weird.
And where's the text chats? Is it because of the filter that I have on them? I do have a filter to like.
We could just change the color of the chat bubbles if that's an issue. Like I was like, you got like some weird outlines on the characters and stuff.
Yeah,
Don't
let's. It's because I do the like the chroma key, basically.
Yeah, you'll probably just have to change the color of the chat bubbles.
Maybe the background color should be a different color than black, because black might be a bit hard for it to filter.
Just change the chat bubble color.
Yeah, I guess.
Like it's literally like black.
It
pretty
does.
much.
Yeah, it is literally, and that's why it's so hard to find, because I do see it in the actual application that I'm running. Like if I take it over here, yeah, I can't move it. My bad, because I can't interact with it.
But shouldn't at least the
Wait, what the fuck? How did these things get here? The fuck? I didn't spawn these in. How did these get here? Oops, that was not supposed to happen. I think it's Damon who is alive, or why is it not? Where is everybody? I think it haven't. When somebody died, it didn't delete them from the list. Or am I? It looks like it, right? Hello?
yeah now yes. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, nice.
We lost you. Oh no. But it looks like, yeah, that when somebody dies, they're not properly deleted from the list, so they can't get spawned back in. Anyways.
Yeah, but also Lucas, what I said was, shouldn't at least the white text name be there, regardless of the Luma key, because
Yeah,
it's
it
white?
is there, but the thing is that the way I'm filtering out, it's not there.
Really? So
yeah.
it filters out white.
Yeah, I don't know how to, like, let's see. Not this. Let's see if I go here.
Wait, you're not streaming on Discord.
What the fuck? This is some crazy bullshit.
Yeah, just rejoined.
Yeah, okay. Like if I disable this, now you can see it. There is the,
Oh, okay, yeah.
and then you can see that as well. But yeah. And I don't know, like, I guess I could. I don't know how this thing works, but it works. But maybe if I change the color to be something else than black, like I would make it green. But I guess we have
Can't you just also on the black only filter out like the black, like the black of the background, like the 0000?
Yeah,
not anything
I
else?
actually don't know how more I can. This is the best I can do with these keys.
I don't know,
Wait,
just change it to green.
But the characters are green.
Yeah, some characters still have green color on them, so that would be a bit of an issue. Well, I guess we can
But
remove
can't you
green.
just filter out one like specific color? You don't need a range, like just the background color.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that, but it's still like, I don't know how it takes it, but it does take everything else with it. I wonder why though why it's not spawning in more people. I would like to see the debug messages.
I didn't. Oh. I got like a small thing that can print them up, but only error logs.
Let's see if I can put a different color for this white good.
I gotta go now though because tomorrow I gotta wake up early. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, me too, guys.
All right. See ya.
Yeah.
I think I also
Yeah.
should. Like,
Yeah.
I have
Bye-bye.
school starting tomorrow, but it's not that early.
Oh, right, the university starts.
Yeah, crazy stuff.
Okay. Good luck with the project. See ya.
I need coffee. That's what I need.
Okay, see ya.
Bye.
See ya.
But isn't in the.
If you change the color, you gotta apply the prefab.
Yeah, okay, wait, where do I change the color of the stick, man? So they can't be green, for example.
No, back out. It's all in the editor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, click on the player, like
Yeah.
himself, and then it's color picker. It's the top, second, third. Then you get transform, rigid body, color picker.
Ah, yeah?
One more. There you go. And then now colors. It's not even
Ah.
the green you're probably gonna pick. It's just a random green. You just delete it. Doesn't matter.
We can
There
do
you go.
another form of blue. And then, how do I change? It was it?
You gotta apply the prefab still, though, man. Like, you gotta
right.
undo him.
Like so.
No. Now he's no. You saved him as like off. Like you gotta turn him on.
What?
Turn him on. No, turn him on. Like he's off. There you go. Now, yeah.
Okay.
And then there you go.
Okay, wait, but project settings, was it player?
What are you looking for? Oh no, you're trying to
background.
change the camera background? No. Exit out of here. Exit out of here.
Okay.
And then it's in the scene.
Scene.
Yeah. And then let's copy. No. No, actually, fuck it. Doesn't even matter. Go to background or rendering output. Environment. It's a fucking environment. Yeah. And then change. There you go.
Oh, that's
And
gonna
then
hurt.
color. It's 0255. I would change it to like 02550, just straight green.
That. I can do this. This is pretty green. And then also I want to change the Where do we do the deaths thingy? It's from their health bar or health stuff, right?
On death, no, right there. It says health dot on death destroy equal player death. Scroll down. It's that last
Yeah,
94.
here. Yes.
94. Yeah. No, yes. So player death. So whenever the health script says, "Hey, my event just fired," we listen to it in here, and then player death is game manager dot remove and destroy.
Okay, and
Which is like actions is like method chaining, like instead of just like giving hard references to like, you know, stuff,
yeah,
we
but
just
how
do
is
the
it
action.
possible? Like, why are some people not getting back spawned into the game? They should be if it destroys.
If it destroys them, it removes them. That's what's happening. Because it won't destroy him if he's not in the dictionary.
Yeah,
And if
I
it
know, but
destroys
like
him, it'll
now
remove
when I
him.
type, I guess should get back into the game, but I'm not getting back into the game. That's kind of weird, right? Because according to this, I should have been just removed and now been spawned back in. Right?
I know one thing that might arise, but it might not be the issue here, is that you have what's it called? The same name on Twitch and YouTube, and like I don't think that's gonna be an issue.
No, because there's still
But-
one player, even though if that was the case, it shouldn't be an issue.
I don't know. I have these empty catches here because I just have it as try
Yeah.
catch because we're using networking, but I just wrote like a comment here. Like it doesn't do anything. You could log.
Well, I can't see logs, that's the thing. I will try to export at least with this right now, the changes that we have done so far. Not do and
See if
run.
the green works. See if the green works, and
Yeah.
I don't know, push whatever you got. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm fucking cooked, so.
Let's see, build. And then yet another one. Create, and then here we will do 0.5. Save that. Yeah. But I'm a bit confused how it. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's whatever. It's whatever. I mean, if the YouTube could work, then it's pretty good, but I would like to have both YouTube and Twitch. You know? And then...
What?
Like, if YouTube works, that I think that one is... I have more audience on YouTube most of the time, but I can get rated on Twitch. That's why Twitch would also be cool. So, yeah.
I don't know. They just
Okay.
look like they both work to me, man. You just gotta iron it out a little bit more.
I don't know what the fuck this was. Let's see, close. Wait, no. Like so, and then I'm gonna cd dot cd 0.5, and then I'm gonna run it in here. Let's see, it should connect with everybody. Oh, look at that beautiful green screen. Ooh, you guys won't see it. Crazy. It's horrible. There.
I don't know. If it works, it works.
I still think it's still using your ground though. That's so weird. Because I'm pretty sure like I'm telling it to use my ground. But it's still going on with yours. Like what the fuck?
I don't know. Like I said, you gotta do a little bit of ironing.
Yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna change the green. Wow, look at the
Only 3 hours a
crazy
day.
outline right there. Wow.
Only 3 hours a day, and especially with the changes I make every time you hop on, it's a bit, you know, you gotta like spend a day to kind of see what's going on here. You'll figure it out. Oh shit, that looks good, except for their outline green. Oh no, go back. Damn, you had it. You had it. Damn. Yeah, right there. That's kind of good. Yeah, just no. It's way too much. Fuck, you had it there. Just not.
Ah!
I don't know. You had the outlines like really small at one point. It was good.
That's the.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, right there. Oh. It's perfect.
Is that
There you
good?
go. There, like, yeah, it's like I'm probably gonna go a little less on it, just a tiny bit, but
Oh shit! But now the
Yeah.
Twitch login is there somehow.
what? No, that's fine. That's a good thing. Like having it gone shouldn't have happened, to be honest.
Oh, because it got filtered through last time when it was.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, don't worry about it. That's an easy turn off once log in, kind of whatever. But your hello world, damn, it's hard to see what you're saying.
Yeah. Maybe it's just make the whole thing larger. Like the battlefield is a bit too. Who is alive, anyways? I can't see the name of the person. Is it me? It is me.
Just you.
But it's not updating my text when I'm typing in the chat.
I saw you say hello world.
No, I said hello.
Oh, I saw you say that. There you go, hello world.
No, I say hello. And I said wah. But it doesn't update my wah.
I see hello world.
No, bro, I'm not saying hello world. I'm saying wah.
It's saying hello world.
Can you type something in chat? Do you get back into the game if you type something? Why is it running hello world anyways? Like what the fuck?
Because I have that thing that's connected to my local LLM, and it was randomly making him chat. But I have it wrapped in like if statements, so it's like because you don't have the library, it'll just like randomly just say hello world every like few seconds. For me, it'll actually like say something random through an LLM. But for you, because I'm not connected to Twitch or anything like that, I was having it all working using my LLM, and I was like, oh cool. They're all chatting.
Could you try typing something in the chat?
YouTube?
Yeah. Twitch is not connected, but YouTube is. Doesn't seem to be taking in new. Which kind of sucks.
Oh no, you.
So yeah,
You
we're trying to
broke
get the YouTube API, and Oh, shit.
Apparently, this is
what
I
did I
have
do?
access.
I pressed something. I don't know what I pressed, but I pressed something. And now oh no, this is not good. Oh no, this is really bad. Oh no. Okay.
Wait, you spawned in from YouTube, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on then, man. Like, I don't even know like what the hell's happening for one. Like I don't, like I haven't seen the code or anything like that, so
It's
I'm
just
speculating.
Yeah, no. I think I will go actually to sleep. But look.
Yeah, you can push what you got. I can take a look. Like, I
Yeah.
can't guarantee you I'm actually gonna do anything today. I'm like right now, like all I can think about is just going back to bed, but I don't think I am.
Alright, but yeah, we'll end it here. Thank you everybody who was watching. Tomorrow ideally would also like to go on to the next project, but might have to try a little bit more just to get. I don't know why things ain't working, and it's kind of, we need debug messages in that. I don't know. Alright. Anyways, bye bye. See you tomorrow.